I knew you 来。
Well, it's been a while. 3 years ago today, I bought a one-way ticket to Australia. Friends, relatives, they all have the same question. What made you decide to go? If I gotta be honest with you, I'm asking myself the same question too. But then there is this voice that lives within you, and it just kept calling and calling, and all I have in mind was if I don't go, I'll regret this decision for the rest of my life. I just couldn't bear it, so I go. I set up 3 goals to myself. First, documenting the whole journey, both bitter and sweet. Started with GoPro, then save up and get a decent camera, and then you already know. Second, make friends around the world. Show hospitality, thus breaking up people's misconception about Asians' persona. Growing up as an introvert in a single-parent house, this task would be far from the easiest, but I fell in love with breaking boundaries.
Oh, wow.
Third and most importantly, live life to the fullest potential and not let something so precious slip away. And I guess I did just that. Throughout the journey, I've made valuable friendships I would have never made, seeing new horizons, done crazy things I could never imagine doing. But some might wonder, what do you get out of traveling? What's the whole point of it? Well, I don't have a definite answer to that. Well, if you never try, you'll never know. It's still crazy to think that at the age of 26, I've already lived a lifestyle many would have considered unattainable. Whenever I close my eyes, I could instantly teleport to a specific memory. My line separating dreams and reality has been blurred ever since. As I've lived, many would have called it the dream life. Sometimes I felt like I was in a coma or something. Like, what if all this isn't real? It's been a while. I'm coming home.